We're going to start a new move. We're going to start pelvic undulations. The word undulation means wave-like movement. Undulation, body wave, okay? Body roll is another way we could say it. In belly dance world, we just call it an undulation, okay? Not the easiest moves in the book. Tricky, but very good for our core, good for the mind-body connection, and once you get it, it's fantastic. If anybody speaks Spanish, most of you do, I don't, I'm learning, it's like rolling your R. You can roll your R, you can say some words really well, yeah? If not, pero and perito is missing something. It takes time to roll the R's if you don't know how to. If you don't know how to roll the R, it takes time. This may take some time. Don't get discouraged. These are tricky moves, okay? Bring your heels together, slight turn out. Open up the feet a little wider. This is called second position. Bring this foot in front, not together. I want a little more space, okay? So a little bit of space. Suck your belly in. Everybody right now, suction in. Like suction in, but don't hold your breath. Chest up, balance. Check me out. Push front, pull back. Push front, pull back. You're going to shift the weight of your pelvis forward and back while maintaining a contracted core. So I don't want you to like low, no. Everything's strong. Don't hold breath. Just hold your muscles. Feel your feet. Weight in the toes, weight in the heels. It's small, but it's present. I'm going to show you from the side just so you can see. Push, pull. Now, am I doing the whole body? No, the whole body would look like this. This is a whole body weight change. I want a lower body weight change. So this just stays here. It's like hanging out, okay? Push, pull, last. 4, 3. I'm going to change it. Freeze, hold. Arch your back, stick your tailbone out, soften your knees, suck your belly in. Arch your back, stick your butt out, soften your knees, suck your belly in. Arch, butt back, soften knees, suck belly in. Last time, slow, boom, a little faster. Arch, contract. Arch, contract. Now make it as small as you can and as deep as you can. This is tricky. This is like doing Pilates, where you have to really connect with every muscle fiber. It's very good for your body. Okay, it is tricky in the beginning. Don't knock it. You're going to get it. Okay, boom. Stick your butt out a little. Suck your belly in a lot. Arch, contract. Remember that move we did in the beginning when we were like this? We were rocking. It's the same thing, but now you're in a different position with your feet. But you did it in warm-up, so I know you can do it. 4, 3, follow me, I'm gonna add on. Arch, push, contract, pull back. Arch, push, contract, faster. Arch, push, contract, pull back. Arch, push, contract, pull back. Push front, pull back. Push front, pull back. Pelvic undulation. Less is more, smaller is better. Go deeper, push, pull. So we're combining those two contractions with the weight change in a nice fluid manner. Tricky, right? That's the tricky part. And this creates a pelvic undulation, a pelvic wave-like motion, a roll, a body wave. Push, pull. Arms up a little higher. Good. Smaller. Can you go deeper? Can you tap in? Push, pull. Arch, contract. That's it. Looking good, my beauties. Give me 8. 8. Boom. 7. Boom. 6. Boom. 5. Oh, that's the hard part. Easier? Gotta work. Arch. 2 more. Last time. Heel tap, shimmy, reset your mind. Good. Inhale. Exhale one more time. We're going to do the other side, and then we're going to speed it up. and then we're going to incorporate it in our combination. Okay, so let's do it. Open up those feet, second position. Take this leg, we're doing the other side. Boom. Less is more, smaller is better. Grow tall, suck belly in. Push and pull. Push, pull. Arms are relaxed, weight change. Just experience and experiment with what this feels like. It's new for you. Probably don't do this every day, right? Who does this? Who stands around the kitchen or at the coffee machine or at Starbucks or wherever and does this? No one, right? So it's new for you. It's a new language. Now, we're going to arch, contract. Arch, contract. Squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze the lower back, squeeze the lower abs. Push front, pull back. Pelvic undulation. A wave motion. Less is more, smaller is better, deeper. This takes time. If you're a little bit off or it's not fluid or flowing, don't give up. You will get it, okay? Push, pull. The arms are just here for balance. The chest is floating and lifting up. Good. 4, beautiful. I love it. 3, 2, one more time. Can we go a little faster? 1, 2, 1, 2. Smaller. Oh, you can do it. You can do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and shimmy. Inhale. Not bad. Cutie patooties. Good. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more time. We're going to add on to it. Don't be afraid. Follow me. Turn the feet out. Arms. Boom. Open, brush, close. Open, brush, close. What do I mean brush? Just kind of brush your foot. It's kind of like you're sweeping the floor. Open. Open, brush, close. Now smaller. Smaller. Arch, contract, arch, contract. Arch, contract, arch, contract. Now this is confusing. I want you to try at this pace. We go lower back, lower ab, lower back, lower ab. Lower back, lower ab, lower back, lower ab. Arch, contract, open and close. Now if you're like, Portia, what on earth? This is craziness. Try instead to put it together and undulate. Undulate, undulate. Undulate, undulate. 1, 2. 1, 2. Less is more, small. Fake it till you become it. Connect. It's not easy, I know. You're doing it. Good. Pretend it's happening. Envision it. Make it relaxed. Own it. We go 4 and 3. You guys look great. Good job. 2. Happy teacher. Stay here. Hold. 1, 2. Follow me. Listen up. Step, 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 step. Step behind. Step behind. Tap it other way. Stay. Undulate. Undulate. Step, step. Complete weight change. Travel. Step behind. Step behind. Step behind. Tap. Hold it. Roll. 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 Forward, back. Forward, back. Forward, back. Start to travel. 4, 3, 2, and hold. Roll. Roll. Notice my body's on a diagonal now. So we go front, back, meaning you're actually changing your weight. Start to travel, face forward, step behind. Let's put it together. Tap, undulate. Step behind, step behind, step behind, tap. Step behind, step behind, step behind, tap. Now face diagonal and tap. Face diagonal, grapevine, and tap. I know it's tricky. Try it, try it, try it, and hold. Step behind. Listen up, I'm gonna cut it in half. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Less is more, smaller feet. Relax your arms. If they're tired, bring them low. No problemo. Good. Check out my feet. You can do it. Step behind, step. If you lose the feet, you get rid of the hips. with the feet first.